Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and highly anticipated drone releases of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Recent leaks have given us a tantalizing glimpse of what DJI is cooking up with their next-generation sub-250-gram drone. A newly surfaced promotional image, first spotted on social media, appears to confirm some major hardware and software upgrades that push this ultra-portable drone into truly professional territory. From a potential 1-inch sensor to AI-powered tracking, vertical shooting, extended battery life, and brand-new design tweaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be a game-changer for drone enthusiasts, content creators, and professionals alike. Let's break down every detail, every feature, and every reason why this drone might just be the new king of ultralight drones in 2024.1. Sub-250G design. Freedom to fly without limits. One of the key pillars of the Mini series has always been staying within the critical 249G weight limit, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro appears to honor this tradition. This is a strategic move by DJI, as drones under 250G avoid more restrictive regulations in many countries, including the US, Canada, and most of Europe. This means no complicated registration processes, no mandatory remote ID modules, and fewer barriers to entry for hobbyists and travelers alike. Portability and regulation friendliness remain crucial aspects, but this time, DJI is taking it to a new level by combining professional-level imaging tools and smart features with a legally lightweight build. 1-inch image sensor. A huge step-up. One of the biggest headline features in this leak is the inclusion of a 1-inch CMOS image sensor, a huge leap forward from the 1.3 sensor found in the DJI Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor generally equates to better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper image quality. If this rumor proves true, photographers and videographers will gain access to a serious imaging tool in an extremely portable package. Think cinematic drone shots, better HDR capabilities, and higher ISO performance, especially in low-light or high-contrast scenes, all without lugging around a heavier drone. Redesigned gimbal with vertical shooting capabilities. Social media. Creators, rejoice. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a completely redesigned gimbal system that allows true vertical shooting, ideal for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Rather than requiring post-processing or awkward cropping, you can now shoot portrait orientation video straight from the camera. This feature eliminates extra steps in your workflow and gives content creators a powerful plug-and-play solution. Even more impressive, the gimbal may also support upward tilt, something we've never seen before in the Mini series. This allows for creative angles such as filming tall structures, mountain peaks, or even capturing wildlife overhead. This level of flexibility could give creators an edge in storytelling and framing. Long flight time. 50 minutes per charge battery life has always been a pain point for drone operators, especially when capturing dynamic scenes in remote areas. Fortunately, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to boast an incredible 50-minute flight time, a significant improvement over the already respectable battery performance of the Mini 4 Pro. For comparison, most drones in this size category average around 30-35 minutes, so this is a massive leap forward. Longer flight times mean fewer battery swaps, more uninterrupted filming, and greater confidence during mission-critical flights. Whether you're capturing sunset time lapses, flying over wide landscapes, or simply needing that extra margin for safety, this extended battery life could be a major selling point. Extended range. 25 kilometers of transmission. Another improvement comes in the form of 25 kilometers of maximum transmission range, which, even if limited in practice by local regulations and terrain, suggests much stronger signal stability and long-range control. This is likely powered by DJI's newest version of OcuSync transmission technology, potentially OcuSync 4.0 or beyond. With crystal-clear HD live feeds, even over long distances, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be an ideal choice for long-range cinematography, search and rescue operations, and surveying large areas. Next-level obstacle avoidance with LAR sensors. Perhaps the most groundbreaking addition is the implementation of advanced LAR, laser-assisted radar obstacle avoidance technology. This includes dual wide-angle sensors in the front and additional inward-facing black sensors, which seem designed to enable more accurate 3D mapping of the drone's environment. Obstacle avoidance is a feature that separates entry-level drones from professional-grade ones, and with LAR tech, the DJI Mini 5 Pro may now feature 360-degree obstacle detection, even in low-light or challenging conditions. This enhances safety for beginners and seasoned pilots alike, while also opening doors to autonomous intelligent flight paths like active track, point of interest, and more. 7. Built-in audio recording. A first for mini drones. Another surprising feature that has sparked conversation is the possibility of built-in audio recording. While most drone footage is paired with separately recorded audio, either through onboard microphones or post-production voiceovers, having the ability to capture ambient audio or narration directly could be a powerful tool for vloggers and social media creators. This means the drone might not only serve as your aerial cinematographer, but also act as a basic sound recorder, capturing environmental noise, live commentary, or behind-the-scenes footage without needing an external mic setup. While not a replacement for professional audio gear, this built-in functionality could simplify quick storytelling workflows and make content creation even more accessible. Precision landing and ground illumination enhancements. Nighttime flying and precise landings are notoriously tricky, but DJI is reportedly addressing both with the addition of precision landing sensors and an LED ground illumination system. These tools improve visibility and positional awareness, especially during dusk or dark flights. By enabling safer and more accurate landings, especially on uneven terrain, this drone proves to be smarter and more reliable in real-world scenarios, not just in spec sheets. The system could also make indoor flights more feasible, a valuable asset for real estate tours, architectural documentation, and event coverage. Design tweaks for durability and stability. In terms of appearance, the Mini 5 Pro still retains the iconic compact foldable design that has defined the Mini series. However, there are subtle but meaningful changes. The drone now features 2 small legs on the main body and additional legs on the front arms, helping improve landing stability and overall durability. These additions might seem minor at first glance, but could significantly enhance real-world usability, particularly when landing on rough surfaces or windy conditions. This reinforces DJI's focus on combining premium materials, ergonomic design, and field-tested reliability in a compact package. AI-powered flight modes and intelligent tracking. If the leaks are to be believed, DJI is loading the Mini 5 Pro with smarter-than-ever AI flight capabilities. This includes upgraded subject tracking, improved intelligent flight modes like master shots, waypoint navigation, and focus track, and more autonomous camera movements. This transforms the Mini 5 Pro into a miniature aerial cinematographer that requires less manual control while delivering professional-level shots. Whether you're biking through a forest, climbing a cliff, or skateboarding through the city, the drone will be able to lock onto a subject, follow smoothly, and even dynamically frame shots with minimal pilot input. This makes it an amazing companion for travel vloggers, extreme sports enthusiasts, and even small business owners creating promotional videos. Chalker. DJI Mini 5 Pro price and release expectations. As of now, DJI has not officially confirmed the price or release date, but based on the hardware and features we're seeing, it's safe to expect a higher price point than the Mini 4 Pro. Industry insiders speculate the Mini 5 Pro could launch at a price between $899 to $1,099, depending on the configuration and whether a Fly More combo is available. It's perfect for creators on the go, professionals who need reliable performance, and hobbyists who just want the best without regulatory red tape. What do you think of the rumored DJI Mini 5 Pro? Are the new features enough to make you upgrade from a previous model? Are you excited about the 1-inch sensor, or does the obstacle avoidance tech intrigue you more? Let us know your thoughts in the